This video will demonstrate how to set up your term weighting for a rolling cumulative gradebook. Notice the difference between a traditional gradebook on the right and a rolling gradebook on the left. This is what your screen should look like for a year-long class with no midterm and no final. Take a look at the screencast that follows. For a year-long class without a midterm but has a final exam, the first semester setup is the same, but the final mark setup will be slightly different. Take a look at the screencast that follows. For a year-long class that has a midterm and a final, this setup looks a little counterintuitive, but this is correct. For first semester, you're going to select that second quarter is 90% of the grade and the fourth quarter final exam is 10% of the grade. For the final mark, fourth quarter is 90% and the fourth quarter final exam is 10%. The reason that this has to be set up this way is that in a year-long class, only the fourth quarter final exam grade gets reported out. And so if you have a midterm and a final, those two exams have to be averaged together in the fourth quarter final exam spreadsheet. This screencast demonstrates how you would set up a year-long class that has a midterm and a final exam. To correctly set up a semester 1 class that does not have a final exam, your end result should look like this screen. Please take a look at the screencast that follows to learn how to set this up. For a semester 1 class that has a final exam, make sure that you set up first semester as well as the semester 1 final mark in the term weighting spreadsheet. Now let's set up a second semester course that doesn't have a final exam. The first thing you'll need to do is to navigate to third quarter in order to find your second semester course. Last but not least, a Semester 2 course with a final exam should have term weighting set up like this image, and follow this screencast for how to do it.